Want to upgrade your car's interior without spending thousands on a custom job? You've come to the right place. Welcome back to AutoRift. Today, we are ranking the top 3 best leather car seat covers based on comfort, durability, and that premium look. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 3 is the Lingvido car seat cover. If comfort is your main priority, this is your go-to. It uses breathable synthetic Nappa leather with extra foam padding, so your seats stay cool and cushioned even on long drives. It's a universal fit for most vehicles and is completely waterproof, perfect for families or pet owners who need an easy clean solution. For pros, it's incredibly breathable, soft to the touch, and features a secure anti-slip backing. The only con is that the fit can be a little tight on extra-large bucket seats. Overall, for a daily driver that needs a comfort boost, Lingvido is a solid winner. Next up at number 2, we have the Aierxuan 5-piece set. This is the tough guy of the group. Made from high-grade waterproof faux leather, it is scratch-resistant and built to take a beating from kids, pets, or gear. Safety is key here. The airbag cutouts are fully compatible and discreet. Plus, installation is a breeze. You can get these on in about 25 minutes without even removing your rear seats. For pros, you get extreme durability, waterproofing, and great airbag safety features. The main con is that you really need to clamp the straps down hard to avoid wrinkles. If you need protection that lasts, Aierxuan is the one. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the Coverado Nappa leather seat covers. This is for the driver who wants a true luxury transformation. Designed with 3D modeling, these covers contour perfectly to your seat, giving you a factory finish look. The Nappa leather feels high-end, and the built-in lumbar support is a game-changer for ergonomics. For pros, you get a stunning 3D fit, premium texture, and excellent lumbar support. The only con is the higher price tag, but the visual upgrade is unmatched. For a showroom-level interior, Coverado is hands down the best choice. I've dropped links to all 3 covers in the description below so you can grab the best deal. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to AutoRift for more gear guides. Thanks for watching and drive safe.